Once the probationary period ends, the employee's performance will be evaluated, leading to one of three outcomes: pass, fail, or extension and probation confirmation. To ensure this process is timely and well documented, supervisors must evaluate their subordinates on probation at least 7 days before the expiry date. Let's begin with pass probation. This means the employee has met the required performance standards and successfully completed the probation period, either on time or earlier than scheduled due to exceptional performance. In this video, we'll walk through an example of an employee who passed probation early. Start by navigating to the Manage Employees tab, then click on Employee List. Then select the name of the employee you want to work on. The Employee Details page will appear, displaying the employee's information, including the date of appointment, probation period, and last date of probation, which were set during the new employee setup. You'll also see a note next to the last date of probation indicating that the current status is probation ongoing. Since this employee has completed his probation early, this status will need to be updated accordingly. Next, click on the Probation tab to update the employee's probation status. The probation page will display key details such as probation months, probation last date, and the probation activity log. You'll also see 4 action buttons available for updating the probation status: early probation, extend probation, failed probation, and confirm probation. Since this employee qualifies for early confirmation, click the green Early Probation button. A notification prompt will appear, asking you to revise the probation end date. Enter a new date that reflects the early completion of probation, then click the blue Yes, Update New Date button to confirm. Once updated, the probation page will reflect the changes accordingly. Return to the Employee Details section, where you will now see that the probation status has been updated to Probation Early. And that brings us to the end of Part 1 of the probation tutorial. Thank you for watching.